Hello all. Today I'm going to show you how to put up a joist real quick using joist hangers and just techniques to get it up there and stuff. So, one of the things, you want to like a piece of scrap wood with some screws pre-drilled into it, or some holes pre-drilled into it, and just line these up along the wood here, and then so you got a part overhanging here, and then you just screw them in real quick. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, just gonna screw those in real quick. And I can't see. It's so bright out here. Okay. So just hold it down, make sure it's pretty level, and then screw it in. That'll just assure that the top of your beam that you're going into will line up with the top of your joist that you're trying to put up there. So I am putting this one up here. Let's see. Let's see if I can get you guys to see over here. I'm going to put it up over there even with this one right here. So I'll show you guys that as I put it up there. Okay. Right. Okay, so basically just put the joist up there like so, and you can see the top part there and it goes over it, and so it's just hanging there. Not only does this help if your joists are on a slope, like all the joists are kind of sloping this way on this beam right here, so they all slope down. So this will keep your slope too, since my beam up here is also sloped. That'll keep the slope on the top, since the thing is level there, or going down at the same slope. So then I'm doing 16 on center. So what you want to do once you get the first one in, you just keep measuring 16 on center from there. So what I've been doing is just measuring from here to here, 16 on center, and then taking my square, this here, and going from one side of the beam, like from here. Actually, I'm going from here this way. I'm doing 15 and a half, and that gives us 16 on center. When you go from this side, flush with the other, so I'll show you. Like I got, so you got a beam in there, and then you put this flush with the beam you already got, that's already square and stuff. Hold it up against there, and then you just measure, 15 and a half across from there. You see that square, and it should be all the way. You should be able to keep that all the way along your beam, keeping that one side over there flush. And this should be 15 and a half, basically, all the way down to give you 16 on center, depending on your square and stuff, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and get that up there, and then show you how to do the joist hanger real quick. All right, we'll be back.